Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing a brand new gaming laptop. It's MSI GF65 10UE. It has a very nice graphics card and the processor in this particular model is 10200H 4-core 8-thread CPU. It has 2 gigs of memory, total of 16 gigabytes, and a 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD. As you can see, the inner box is quite nice, black with the usual red MSI. And we have a cable, a whole compartment for the cable, which we don't need right now. Here we have a laptop, which we don't need right now as well. I wanna check something real quick, which is the adapter. The adapter, ladies and gentlemen, is 180 watts, 20 volts, 9 amps, so it gives a lot of power. We have the usual leaflets and stuff, we don't care about it, so let's take this out and take a look. MSI GF65 10UE laptop with RTX 3060, nice. Okay, let's open it up. Nice. Red accents on the motherboard. And by the way, it's backlit. It won't boot right now, but just 1 second. Alright, let's move on. So it's booting. The keyboard is backlit in red, as you can see. NVIDIA GeForce RTX Core i5, and it boots in Ubuntu, most likely. We don't care about Ubuntu right now. What we do care about is the backside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, total of 11 screws to take it off. This particular laptop has a spare space for another NVMe SSD, and I can see the 2 memory sticks, so I guess if you take this off you can also upgrade the memory as well. The battery is inside, so it's not easily removable unless you want to take the back off. So that's about it, guys. Let's take a look at the ports real quick. So we have, what do we have? The walking port, an actual full-size network port, couple of USB-C, couple of USB 3 regular. This is the combo headphones and microphone port. And on this side we have the power connector and the HDMI for external monitor. Okay, that's about it, guys. I hope you like this laptop because I do like it a lot, and we'll be most likely testing it and see how it performs. Any questions? Put them in the comments. Bye!